Taking the behind the scene.
We now got a behind the scene of a typical Filipino family. The woman is shouting a lot, you know, trying to get the right picture. Now the selfie picture. Selfie of the day, number 409. One more, it's not good enough. One more. No, it's not. Oh, you can see we gotta take one more. One more. Yes, perfect. We got it. We also need a picture of the sky. That's where God lives, according to the Filipinos. We need to take that picture. Okay, we take it portrait mode, and we also take it. Yeah, we're sitting in sitting position because, yeah, what we call squatting. Yes. Oh yeah. All the yes. Portrait mode if God should pick a boo from the sky. Here we go. Okay, it's very beautiful. We can stand here for a very long time. The Filipino will never be tired of taking a picture. It will never.
No, we already had it. We had it in video also.
Look at this one now.
Oh, what a beautiful color of all the. Yeah, perfect.
That is a selfie queen.
Selfie.
Ito, honestly ba? Ito, kain tayo, guys. Dinner.
We go get some service.
Dinner namin dito sa last night namin sa Pattaya. Kawali. Brazil pata.
Day, ito ka na dahil suko kay bug na ako. Ano nalamit?
Dong, you can eat it because meron bami, scallops, tapos rice doon. Yummy, yum. What you doing, Dong? Yuhan na to ba? Sayaw mo.
Hey, Fred! Kumusta? Okay lang. Remember my case for headphones? Yeah. What? Oh, you wanna climb?
Ya, pagdaw yung plato, siya mali malang ka plato.
Mga bagi tayo. Guba pang. Ang initan natin, guba. Daso kang lokal din mo. Kung gari ko,
Ano guba man?
kaso, usap ko, kakape din mo kayo. Ang ibalin mo din to, yun ako.
Ah. So, kasi barato rin po na. Ilan na ito. Sintos naman.
Yes, you know.
I had Luca Martin. Uy!
Apa dia sebab? Jadi akan mahukos matin.
It got out warm.
He got a prom.